Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Captain Marcus, and today we're going to do my version of basically that snow cold look. Girl, so I really love the bright inner corner. Like they always go in with a like white highlighter almost, and then I went ahead and did a little bit of blush down the perimeters of my face right here so that it creates that really like snow, I've been out in the cold all day blush. So hopefully you guys love this. It was very like winter inspired. I thought it was the perfect time to do it. Hopefully you guys love it. Let me know down below. Before I jump in, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you love little get ready with me's and little fun videos, and without further ado, let's just jump right in. I went ahead and primed my face using the Professional, and now I'm moving on to foundation. I'm taking Reveal the Skin by Sephora. I did pick this up on the Sephora sale, and it's actually really good. It's almost like a skin tint, and as you guys can see, my skin is still poking through. You can kind of see the blemishes still, and it's just like a nice base to like that everyday makeup look. Now I went ahead and am contouring or bronzing up the skin more like. I'm using the LYS No Limit Bronzer in Harmony. Then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape to go ahead and just highlight my face. You guys know that I always leave the concealer for last, but because we do want that blush to be peeking through, I'm going to go ahead and do the concealer before the blush. For blush, I'm taking the e.l.f. Camel Blush in Peach Perfect. This is a very light shade, which is why I go heavy-handed. I would not do this with any other shade but this one. But it's going to create that really nice, like I've been out all day in the cold look. Then I am going to go ahead and just put powder underneath the eyes and then a little bit underneath the contour and blush. Now I'm taking the Transluce I Am a palette, and I'm going in with Bella to go ahead and just define my eyes. Then I'm also going to take it down the bridge of my nose a little bit because I really want that part to be really defined. I went in with light to go ahead and just make sure that the line isn't harsh. And then I'm going with the shade Fuerte, and I am going to create a little line. You guys know that I do this kind of like all the time, but for some reason with this shade it was like smudging a lot and just giving me trouble, but went ahead and used a makeup wipe to make it sharp. Then the star of the show is Divina, and it is that really nice kind of highlighter white shade. Then I went in with the shade Light again on the inner corners, or no, on the center of my lid to really make the lid pop. I am going in with some bronzer, and then I'm taking Benefit Cosmetics and Willa to go ahead and just create that more like defined blush look. Now I'm taking the Veloa, I cannot pronounce that, Veloa lashes. These are their self-stick lashes, and they're so good. I'm just showing you guys here how easy it is. It applies underneath the lash, and it literally takes me like 1 minute to do. You just gotta press down once you put it underneath, and then just curl it, and voila, you have these beautiful, like, your lashes but better. I'm gonna go ahead and leave my link down below. Then I'm taking the Makeup Forever in 606 and then topping it off with the Say Beauty Flirty in the center just to give it that more pinky touch. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!